9 over 4. Okay, so which ones do you want to ask about? Which ones do you want to ask about, kids? Some of you, I know, did not fully participate in the scrum, so you are bound to have questions. Need to ask them, or I assume you understand everything. It's your responsibility. Yes? Oh. That's different, yes. 1 through 30 on the second page. Okay. Questions on these? If you don't ask questions, I assume everybody got these. If you don't ask questions, I assume everybody got them. Yes? Number what? Number 8? Okay, what does a negative power mean? So 25 to the negative 5 over 2. What's that equal? What's the first thing you can do? Macy, yeah? Nope. The negative goes away once it goes down. Yep. So what does the power of 5 halves mean? The square root of 25 to the... Right. What is the square root of 25? So it's 1 over 5 to the 5th.
So you have to do the negative sign first.
No. No, you don't. You could do it. The square root of 25 to the negative 5, which is 5 to the negative 5, which is there. Nope. There's many different orders. How about 6? Negative 8 to the negative 5/3. So that would be, you could say, the cube root of negative 8, all raised to the what power?
5.
Nope. Negative 5. What's the cube root of negative 8? So it's going to be negative 1 over 2 to the, which is negative 1 over 32. Yes. Questions on this one? It's not a square root. Nope. Only even roots. Even roots. What times itself 3 times is negative 8? Negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is?
Negative 8.
3 is not even. Yes? Number 6. Yes? Okay, he just asked that out loud. He just asked that, so you need to listen to what's going on in class before you ask. I applaud your question asking. This right here, everybody, what kind of number is that? Odd. You can take an odd root of any number. Any real number has an odd root. Any real number, any odd root. Right here, look, Baldwin. What's negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2? What is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2? Yes, so therefore, what is the cube root of negative 8? Negative 2. Yes. Olivia. 18. 18. We haven't gotten there yet, but let's keep going. That's fine, that's fine. She wants to push on. So we'll do the next... Oh, wait. The next ones. While I continue to mess this up. It's fine. Okay, here we go. Let's do blue now. 11. Who's got 11? 11. Once you say an answer once, you can't contribute again for this round. Yes.
27 over 8.
27 over 8. Okay, 12. Yep. 12.
12.
Yep.
9 over 4.
9 over 4. 13. Yes.
8.
8. 14. Yes. 1 over 64. If you've already done this round, you can't answer. Hanley, yep.
8.
What?
15. 8.
15 over 8?
No, number 15 is 8.
Is 8. Okay. Who has 16? Someone else who hasn't answered. Anybody? Okay. And I just erased those first ones for some reason. Oh, I know where it went. There it is. Okay, so questions on 11 through 15. Questions on 11 through 15. 15. So that's 1/4 to the negative 1.5. What could you do first to make that easier to deal with? Turn it into a fraction. Turn the exponent into a fraction. So 1/4 to the what power? Yep. What could you turn 1/4 into? 4 to the negative 1 to the negative 3 over 2. What could you do now? Yeah, so 4 to the, which is the square root of 4 raised to the, so that's 8. Yeah, that's good.
Number 12.
12, okay. So 8 over 27 to the negative 2/3. How could you get rid of that negative sign really easily? What could you do to the fraction on the inside? Flip it, yep. That's 27 over 8 to the 2/3 power. What does to the 2/3 power mean? Can someone say that out loud? What does it mean? No, it's the third root. It's not square root is only when you take the square root. So it's the third root of, yes, so it's the third root of 27 over 8 squared. If you do all of these steps out, it's going to be the cube root of 27 over the cube root of 8 all to the second power. What's the cube root of 27? It's the cube root of 8. And you are squaring it, so what's it turn out to be? 9 over 4. Okay, it looks like you guys need a little more time, so what I'd like you to do... Okay, what'd you get, Kitty? For 16. Okay, what'd you get for 16? Okay, pass. Guyan. Gamara, sorry. 17. You can say pass or give me an answer. Yep. For 17? 18. 19. Yep. 20. Justin.
9.
22. Bissell.
Skip that one.
Pass. Yep. Denise. 22. What? No? 22. Lenos.
Third root of 25.
Okay. Bruckner. 23. What? Okay. 24. 6. 25. Guyan. What? Pass. Victor. 25. What? 2. 26. Walden. 26. 9. 27. 3. 28. Baldwin. 2. Okay. 29. What? 1 over what?
2.
And 30.
1 over 3.
1 over 3. So, not guaranteeing that all of these are correct, but let's actually talk about them. Oh, wait. What'd you... I hate it when that happens. Can someone tell me 17 again? Anybody?
27.
22? Who had 22?
What I
5, okay. 27. Kids, I'm just asking you for your potential answers, and then we'll debate them. I'm not asking for the whispering. 3. Okay, good. Thank you. So, which one do we want to start off with? Which one? 18? 18. So we have the cube root of 4 raised to the... What power? What power is cube root, Olivia? Yep. 4 to the 1/3 to the 6. What do you do with powers of powers? 4 times 1/3 times 6 equals 4 to the what power? What's 4 squared? 16. Voila! Which one's next? Do you want to talk about, Katie? Can you get the lights? What? 22. So we did that one. 22. 22. So it's 5 to the 1/3 times 5 to the 4/3. What do you do when you multiply and you have the same bases? So 5 to the what?
5 over 3.
5/3. So yeah, this one is not going to have a cute answer. But what does 5/3 mean?
Cube root of 5 to the power of 5.
The cube root of 5 to the 5th power. So I was wrong. There are some that do not have rational answers. That would have either one would have been acceptable. Yeah, either one.
Wait, you can put the power of 5 into the
Yes,
or outside of it.
that's correct. You could do the cube root of 5 to the 5th. That's correct. You could.
Doesn't matter.
It's the same thing.
Do you prefer having the number in exponential form or
Depends on what on this one is kind of ambiguous. Either one is fine. Either one would be equally fine. Okay, any others from this?
You go over 25.
25, sure.
I got a different answer.
That's fine. Let's try 25. So for 22, this was not, it was, well, they went away again. We'll deal. 25, 2 to the 1/3 times 4 to the 1/3. Well, what do you not have? You do not have the same bases. So what do you see? What do you see? 2. 2 squared to the 1/3. So that's 2 to the 1/3 times 2 to the what? Same base, and now it's 2 to the 3/3, which is 2. Yay!
Can't you just put the bases together?
No, you cannot.
So like the law X.
Wait, on this right here,
Yeah.
at the beginning, you cannot put the bases together. Well, excuse me. You're absolutely right. There is one thing you can do. You could make it 2 times 4 to the 1/3. That only works because they're raised to the exact same power. That is another way to do this. That would be 8 to the 1/3, which is the cube root of 8, which is 2. Yes, in this case it would work because the powers are the same.
We have a law that says X.
Yes, because the powers are the same. Yes, because the powers are the same. But if the powers are not the same, be very careful with that. I see it happen all the time. This is probably the most common math mistake I see. One of the most common ones. What do I see people writing that equal? Is that correct? No, 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 it's not. It's not, it's not, it's not. Please don't do that. Okay, any others from this group right here, this block? 26. What, 9 to the 1/3, 3 to the 1/3? 9 to the 1/3 times. So there's two ways. It's the same problem, right? 3 squared to the 1/3 times 3 to the 1/3 is 3 to the 2/3 times 3 to the 1/3, which is 3 to the 3. Or what could you do? 9 times 3 to the, which is 27 to the 1/3, which is 3. Same, either way, it's fine. Just like logarithms, are there multiple ways to do all of these? Yeah. Are we good with 1 through 30? Are we good with 1 through 30? What do you think?